Let me play you the track so you know what we're working with. You get the idea. So I want to add a low pass filter on the hi-hat track and the plug 2 track, and in this section where there are no beats. So first I'm going to go and click on the hi-hats track, get the auto filter device in the track, and then I'm going to solo the hi-hat track so I can hear what I'm doing, and then I'm going to move the filter knob down and I'm going to set it to the frequency where I don't hear anything. Yeah, somewhere here. Okay, and then I'm going to add the resonance. Once I've done that, I'm going to click A on my keyboard to enter the automation mode, and then you'll see the resonance showing, and that's because that was the last parameter we had touched before entering the automation mode. So to get out of that, I'm going to go and click the frequency knob again on the auto filter device, and automatically the frequency will show up. And next what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and make a selection with my mouse, and then I'm slowly going to take my mouse close to this red line here till it turns dark red. Once it does that, I'm going to hold the mouse and I'm going to drag it all the way up. Okay, and then I'm going to click somewhere out, click on this dot here, so you see a nice ramp opening up, automation lane, and then I'm going to click on this dot as well. All right, now let's hear what we have. Perfect, sounds great. I'm going to do the same. I want to do the same to the plug 2 track. I'm going to add auto filter and I'm going to solo the plug 2 track, and then I'm going to set the frequency from which frequency I want it to start, the filter to start, all the way on top, right? So I like to pull it all the way down till I don't hear anything. Yeah, somewhere here, add a little resonance. Now if you don't want to add resonance, it's absolutely fine. I'm just adding it because I like it. And then as you can see in the track, resonance is showing up here. That's because that was the last parameter we had touched. Anything you touch last in Ableton Live in the automation mode, it will show up. So I want to automate the filter frequency and not the resonance, sorry. So I'm going to click on the frequency and it will show up here again. So I'm going to go make a selection with the mouse, take the mouse close to this red line till it turns dark red, hold the mouse, push it all the way on top, click anywhere out, get rid of this node and get rid of this thing as well. And now let's hear this synth. Perfect, sounds good. Now let's hear it with everything. Let's get out of the automation mode by clicking A on our keyboard. So that's how you automate low pass filter in Ableton Live.